Hello, and welcome to a monthly product update from Finsweet. It's October, and we are going to update you on what we're doing with all of our products. As with every month, the goal of this stream is to be as transparent as possible with our products. We're telling you what we are working on, what we shipped, the troubles that we've had, the successes that we've had, and we're going to go through each of these four products today to tell you what's up. So let's get started here. We jump right into this. This is a quick stream. It is all about the information. Let's start with attributes. We have a fun one for attributes today. This one's really good. What we're working on this month is attributes. That's the big development here. It's officially next in our development schedule. After a year of releases, we have done a lot with product this year with Wized, components, and CMS Bridge. And really, we did put attributes to the side multiple times to focus on the paid products. But now we are ready to refocus on attributes V2. We are equally as excited about it. And today we're going to talk about the new exciting features coming to the list solution. The list solution is going to combine all of your favorite list-based solutions from attributes V1, such as nest, filter, sort, and so on, and combine them all to list. And we'll talk about three features that will take your filter systems to the enterprise level. And I say enterprise level because you really don't see these features outside of enterprise projects. They're pretty serious features. Real-time option feedback, conditional search, and smart search. Let's jump into them. Real-time option feedback. This has been asked countless times for attributes V1, and it actually required a rebuild to make it happen. So we made it happen. This is about showing the number of available results when a filter is applied. So for example, there's 91 economy listings, but if I choose news, there's only 21 economy listings that also have news. So the available returned items will be visible live as the user is using the filter system. This is huge. This is what everyone's been waiting for, and we're shipping it. We're working on it. We will be shipping it, but this is what we're working on slide. And when a filter option shows 0 results or will show 0 results, a class will be added to that option element. So if I have news selected, maybe there is no news and legal items. So legal will get that class. We can style it however we want. Again, another big one. This is, we responded to what you've asked for. Now these are kind of the next step into things that most websites don't have. Let's talk conditional search. Website users can use operators such as contains, does not contain, is, and is not to easily search through large databases. So we can say something, a search should contain carrots. But let's get a little bit deeper here. We can stack multiple conditions on top of each other using logical operators and or. This can create complex rules such as something contains carrots, contains curry, and does not contain coconut. So we can get really specific here with searches. This is super, super powerful. So imagine this kind of searching paired with the real-time option feedback, and then paired with smart search. Smart search uses fuzzy matching to provide results that closely match user input, even if the terms aren't exact. Some things are not easy to spell. Let's take Michelangelo for a great example here. It's going to pick up all of these misspellings, and it's still going to show the result. And of course, we'll have ways that you can adjust how specific and how accurate this can be. So all of this will be integrated into the attribute system. It's all going to be something that you can edit and play with and really take those filter systems to the next level. So this is the big thing next on our development schedule. I would expect next month monthly product update to be a little bit more quiet on the other products because we're now putting all forces here. So this is next. We're excited for it. It's going to come soon. All right, moving on. That's it for attributes. Let's move on to Wized. What we shipped last month. Let's first go over the shipped closed beta items. We have the panel's UI rework, elements panel, and expandable and interactive data store. This is part of a really big, really nice update for Wized where we're really clear on the direction we have to take here with the product. And these three things are key in that. So those are closed beta. And we also ship the new Firebase invoke function method. A couple of improvements here, quality of life improvements, performance improvements. You can now open page folders when searching. We now have improved performance for server requests. We set class actions, and they only accept valid class names and documentation for Supabase OAuth. What we're working on this month: new documentation, new pages in the documentation, updates to the documentation, just trying to improve it with really any opportunity we get. Educational material. We are actively recording a course right now for Wized. It's to get beginners interested in using Wized the right way. And even if you've been using Wized for a while, we'll teach you how we think about it and develop at Finsweet. So we're really excited about this. This is coming soon, and we are working on it this month. We'll also be working on our new roadmap. We're going to collect feedback after those closed beta releases. After we go and release those, we'll hear your feedback. We'll understand what you want, and then set our next priorities based on that. And definitely the roadmap for Wiz next year will be really outlined well in December. I can say that for all the products. In December, we're going to have a really good overview of what we're thinking about for next year. And yeah, this is a top item for Wized. All right, that's it for Wized. Let's move on to components. Finsweet components, what we shipped last month. Now we can detect forms using reCAPTCHA and provide instructions on how to make reCAPTCHA forms compliant. So we started with cookie consent, and a lot of it mirrored our original solution. But as part of cookie consent in Finsweet components, we really want to take it to the next level, be that go-to consent app for really just about anything. So last month we shipped the ability to look at iframes and YouTube videos and embeds like that. Now we have reCAPTCHA. We're looking at focusing a lot more on the entire experience of compliance and consent, not just the cookies. So this is part of that, and really exciting. We have a lot planned for cookie consent. And what else did we ship? The new pricing model. This one is exciting. We talked about this a lot. Really, it's been kind of a focus for us. And now it's available. It's done. New project lifetime plans are available for purchase. You pay once to use it on a project forever. Great for freelancers, great for agencies who build projects for other people, and you just don't want to be stuck to a subscription, and you don't want to worry about the subscription not working anymore. So pay once, use it forever. We have a lot of freelancers and agencies excited about this, and now you can go and buy it on our website. We just shared the pricing page in the chat. Okay, new pricing model, bulk discounts. We told you about the bulk discounts last time. Now it's live. You can get up to 30% off when buying multiple components in the same checkout. And you can assign domains anytime. So if you know, for example, you're going to buy 2 sliders for 2 projects that you're working on. If you know that you're going to continue using sliders, you can buy 10 sliders and get 30% off the whole purchase and just use them as it comes up. You can assign those domain names in a month, in a year, in 2 years, doesn't matter. So bulk discounts, great for freelancers, agencies, anybody who's buying multiple components. The bulk discounts are listed on our pricing page. I will list pricing page in the FAQ. I'll list out what they are. Buy 3 to 5 components, 15% discount. Buy 6 to 10 components, 25% discount. Buy over 10 components, this was I doubled 10 here, and I have to now reiterate this. Sorry. 3 to 5 components, 15% discount. 6 to 9 components, 25% discount. 10 or more components, 30% discount. That was the official version. So it's ready for you. Go ahead, make that purchase, get your bulk discounts. Old pricing model, no longer available. The special launch offer that we had for all components is not available for purchase. It probably will, it definitely will never be available for purchase again. Subscribers will keep the $10 monthly price for as long as your subscription is active. This gives you access to all current and future components, and we are doing a lot with components. So there will be a time in the future, I hope the near future, where $10 for all the components is just a wonderful deal. So great to those users on 10 per month. If it's a personal site, good. But really, we're excited about the new pricing model. That's what people are asking for. That's what we're following up with. And I'm excited for it. Thank you. Okay, what we're working on this month for components. We have a new library cooking. This is going to be of pre-made designed components ready to publish in Webflow. So the builder that we have right now allows you to create a wireframe with any functionality for a slider. The idea of the library is that these will come with all the features that you want, but totally designed by our designers at Finsweet. So you'll be able to ship your sliders faster, copy paste them into your projects, and copy and paste them between other projects. We're working on both of these to work seamlessly with the Webflow app and with your Finsweet account. It's going to be really cool. You can save components to your Finsweet account and then access them in any project. So you can open up literally any Webflow project, log into Finsweet components, and you have your personal and Finsweet library available to you, totally free. Cool. We're also testing the marquee component. We actually have a lot of other components ready for testing, but we're taking it slow, one test at a time. And marquee is next. So forget about the weird issues with different widths and heights, and nobody wants that. So this will be a much more plug and play experience for marquees. So we're working on that. Cool. That is it for components. Let's move it on to CMS Bridge. What we shipped last month. Well, we shipped CMS Bridge last month, the whole entire product. That was September 17th. If you missed it, we have a whole stream that goes over that release. We also fixed an issue with connections and reference fields. There was a really weird issue that we had to fix immediately. We did fix it. We submitted it. That is good to go. Docs and Finsweet form support. This is your go-to spot to get started and to get help for CMS Bridge. The docs, you can find that on our marketing website for CMS Bridge, and Finsweet form support right there in the Finsweet forum, free for CMS Bridge. So have a question, have some concerns, you want to give feedback, it's right there. That's it for CMS Bridge, and let's move on to Finsweet Plus. We have a Finsweet Leaders Meeting Tuesday, October 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern. This is a private meeting for Finsweet Plus users with team leaders. It's QA and really anything that you want to talk to us about our products. So join us if you're a Finsweet Plus user. And thank you. That is it for this stream. I love these streams. They're quick. They're easy. They give you what They give you the information that you're looking for, right? You just want an overview of what we're doing here. Make sure you stay on task, up to date with our newest products. And yeah, I think we're going to keep doing these. I love them. So that's it for today. Enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy using Finsweet products. See you next month.